All right, welcome back, cyber traders. Welcome for this afternoon, the last hour of the Friday of the week of trading. And let me tell you, this morning I was shocked. It was a great morning, some great moves. We saw the Hertz trade just literally popped from. I mean, just took off, just popped right at the gate. You could see it. Let me see. I got the wrong chart here. Let me go back and make it a 2-minute chart. Actually, I meant to make it a 3-minute chart. So let me just make this a little bit bigger so you guys on YouTube could watch. So anyway, we found the stock about $1.50, 8 o'clock. Stock literally made a big run. $1.50 was the price that most of us got into it. So if you were here when we did the morning meeting, we saw the stock right around 9 o'clock. It was about 220. Great move. Stock ran all the way up to about this 250, then popped right out of the gate and just did this crazy trade to 280, and then it was game over. Thing went all the way down. It's about 10:30. But for some reason, this thing is starting to trade some volume all of a sudden. You could see it. It's like starting to pick up some momentum. Let me tell you, the stock is very, very hard to trade. You know, it's not like something was going in a straight line. So let me talk about some of the stocks that we did trade, and then we're going to talk about the things that we should be looking at going into this close. So the NMDM did amazing. That stock also, and bring up 2-minute charts, you can see that one. That one was a little bit better stock. If you missed that rally in Hertz, you could have traded this stock right here, the NNDM. This thing ran from 460 all the way up to about $6. Very nice and comfortably. Looks like she started getting a little tired now. You don't see she's as volatile before. But this stock had great iceberg orders everywhere. We saw them on level 3, level 4. It was just a really good stock. But the big winner was not Hertz. And it was not the NNDM. It was the KXIN. What the hell is this? We saw this stock right here, and I forgot which one of you called it out. Right about $1.60, and just out of nowhere, the thing just started ran all the way to 450. It got halted and went up. It got halted and went up. That was hands down blows Hertz away, which once again, I said to you this in the 9 a.m. meeting, that sometimes we always find something that might come out of nowhere. And this actually was it. We were just the right place at the right time. We saw the Fausto flag. We saw everything. So that was awesome. I know you guys did really, really well. But listen, Norm, the point is this, you know, and Norman as a cyber group member, when it comes down to trading a stock, you know, don't worry about it. You'll find other ones too. We find them every day. And I know sometimes we're a little gun shy, we're a little deer in the headlights, but you know what? Every time you come here, every time you say, you know, you drop your bait in the water, you're gonna hit something. And sometimes you might say, shoot, I should just stayed at that one other spot. Maybe I would have probably caught that big one instead. Someone else got it. But that's all right. Listen, don't worry about it. You got the right team, you got the right mentors, you got the right staff, the working staff. That's what you need. All right. So let's talk about some of the stocks that are moving this morning. Hold on. My wife is texting me. She forgot I was doing a meeting. What'd you think? Huh? All right. So anyway, let's talk about some other stocks that are moving this morning. I want to keep an eye going to the afternoon. So by the way, you see the JKS? That stock's breaking all-time highs. What did I tell you about the solar stocks? They're doing really, really well. Stock is breaking all-time high. Almost 10 million shares traded. Stock is doing great. Once again, it's a swing trade, not more of a day trade. Hertz. I want to keep an eye on it. Guess what? Beautiful Fausto flag here, guys. Look at that. Everybody see that little Fausto flag? Boom. It seems like it's going to break. Stock looks like it could be very interesting going to this afternoon. Look at that. Almost 9. Look at it. Almost 1 billion shares already traded. No, 823 million shares. Did you guys notice that? Lee, you brought it up, right? My God, could you believe that? How many shares do you think we all traded all together? We know we all contributed to that volume. But you don't have to worry about to get in and out of that stock. That's the good thing. Wow. I don't know if I ever saw a stock. I know we have, but I don't think I ever even seen a stock trade one day 1 billion shares, unless it's a penny stock. and it's like a penny shares, right? Anyone ever see a stock that traded 800, a $2, a $3 stock traded 800 million? Neo once did, right? Yeah, Neo did. That was a hell of a short squeeze. All right, look, even today it traded 1.6, 161 million shares. All right, so we got that one. Citi, that one also we found early this morning. That one did pretty well. You know, it's at the highs, got a decent spread, very good volume, 20 million shares. It has some spotty iceberg orders here and there, which kind of helps us out. A couple small orders kind of pop those big orders out there. I want to keep an eye on that one too. NAV, this stock was that buyout. Okay. So when I look at that buyout, I don't know what happened. It got bought out, it stopped, and then it popped again, like out of nowhere. I don't know what this is all about. So maybe they upped their shares. I don't know. I don't know what happened. But anyway, I like to see what happens going into the close on the stock tier. And if you are going to try to trade the stock, make sure you put limit orders, please, not market orders. JIMA, another one you guys been dabbling all day with. This stock has also done very well. Stock went from $13 all the way to about to almost 16 already. Look at 1570. Nice little mover, nice little trend. What we're looking for a stock that has a push. Now, just please keep in mind, you got some big iceberg orders sitting out there. You got a 26,000 share seller at 1575. And then obviously you can see the next one right around 85. So it looks like it's moving in 10-cent intervals. Okay. And last but not least is the FUBO. So FUBO, this one it's got this big resistance levels right around this 1240. Is there anybody out there? Yeah, right here. You see 1250? Yeah, that's that guy right there. He's still out there at 1250. So that kind of makes sense why we got support levels there. I mean resistance. I'm sorry. So remember, what makes resistance is sellers. If you attended my events all week, that's all I keep pushing. But looks like we got some resistance levels there. We got some supports levels right around here. So we got, how many we got? We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks. That's not bad. Now, listen, I know a lot of you guys didn't show up for work for this afternoon because you probably did really well in the morning. Some of you missed some of these great opportunities, want to jump in and try to benefit from it. So we'll go out there. We'll try to trade it again. You know, we'll try it again going this afternoon. And if you didn't get any of them, or if you lost money, listen, the big thing is this. You got to chip away little by little. If you're down, let me teach you a good lesson. The tip of the day. If you're down and you're down more than you expect, do not try to double down. Double down becomes quadruple down. Quadruple down becomes going broke. Okay. If you lost more than you afford, you should be calling the game over. If you want to try to make some of it back, try to do it slow. You got to keep focus. Just chip away. And that's something that people always ask me, like, you know, I'm down. Everyone else did well. Is there a way I can make it back? Yeah, just put limit orders. You just got to be extra super conservative. Remember, you don't want to start digging yourself into a bigger hole. All right. So there we go. As long as you trust your traders around you, you get better and better at it. All right, guys. So listen, good luck. Happy trading. If I don't see you going to this close, like I said, I'll see you back here on Monday. And if you're new here to CyberTrade University, I know we have a lot of new people that are starting. I mean, I'm going to start on Monday, I think. So that's usually we do it from Monday to Friday. But hopefully everybody that did their trials, hopefully you had a great experience, loved it, and hopefully you're going to stick around with us. And hopefully if we get that opportunity, make you part of our team. All right, guys. But if not, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you back on Monday. So until then, you see something, you say something, cyber traders. All right. Good luck today. Happy trading.